In this clip, I will show you a iris variation, a variation on the traditional iris. This was shown to me by my teenage nephew, Joseph Lee. This is a fairly simple model if you know how to make a traditional iris. Starting with a frog base, the triangles, instead of turning it down, what we are going to do is tuck the triangles inside. So fold it down first, and then pulling open each section, tuck that triangle inside the unit, like this. So instead of the filaments sticking out, the filaments will become tucked in to the flower. So that's one side, and do the same thing on the other side. Kind of open the section and allow that triangle to get tucked inside, like this. Now we are going to open it to the other two sections where the triangles haven't been tucked in yet. Open it like this. Keep the unit balanced. Pull the sections, the points out, and tuck that triangle in. And then finally the last one.